Hey, welcome back. Got another Princess Auto Flyer. We'll start off a little bit mundane. Got a 20,000 pound 30-foot tow strap for 19 bucks. Got a heavy duty storage box for 25 bucks. 5-pack moving blankets, 33 bucks. Little file cabinet size tool chest, 189 bucks. 4-pack of ratchet strap tie downs, 15 bucks. Trailer covers ranging from 300 bucks to 320 bucks depending on what size you need. 1 ounce of rubber cement for 3 bucks. 5-piece heat shrink dispenser for 30 bucks. You got 5 different sizes, 25 feet of each size. Got some more ratchet straps here ranging from 10 bucks up to 17.50. Got some digital torque wrenches here for 100 bucks. 25-piece imperial and metric hex key set here for 9 bucks. 128-piece punch and eyelet set for 12 bucks. Magnifying work light here for 50 bucks. 12-inch magnetic tool holder for 8 bucks. 28-piece punch and chisel set for 35 bucks. Adjustable bar clamps here 45% off, ranging from 15 bucks to 22 bucks. Half-inch pipe clamp 10 bucks. 3-piece square set 13 bucks. Got a whole whack of cutters and pliers here ranging from 4 bucks to 6 bucks. Redneck hair dryer 120 bucks. Aluminum picnic table with 2 benches 80 bucks. Sandblasting equipment here. Got a pressure pot sandblaster for 190 bucks. A gravity feed one for 50 bucks. And the air filter for 100 bucks. 50-foot hybrid air hose for 20 bucks. If you just need a short length of air hose, they have 3-foot, 5 bucks, 10-foot, 7 bucks, 15-foot, 8 bucks, and these are rubber. Little pop-up spray tent, 55 bucks. 79-piece rotary tool set here for 40 bucks. Got a Dremel branded 75-piece accessory kit for 22 bucks. Got a 3-pack of angle grinder accessories for 9 bucks. Bosch cutting and grinding wheels for 2 bucks each. Eraser wheel here for 8 bucks. Some really good hand cleaner here for 10 bucks. Got some carb cleaner with an unfortunate font for the brand name for 5 bucks. If your car is anything like mine, you're going to need this power steering fluid for 4 bucks. And it looks like it's 40% off the entire WD-40 line here. TPMS sensor for 35 bucks. 4-foot by 18-foot tarp for 4 bucks. Thanks to inflation, 15 bucks for this 4-pack of painter's tape is actually a good price now. 555-piece cotter pin set for $12.50. 397-piece O-ring kit here for 11 bucks. Carbon monoxide detector here for 25 bucks. 20-liter diesel can for 23 bucks. 2.5-liter ultrasonic cleaner for 110 bucks. 330-pound moving dolly for 18 bucks. 3M splash and impact rated goggles are 13 bucks. Welding cart here for 140 bucks. Stick welding electrodes ranging from 8 bucks to 11 bucks. MIG welding pliers here for 8 bucks. Now we're in the surplus area of the flyer. Got some under cabinet lighting here for 10 bucks. Garden light set here for 15 bucks. 16-foot light strip for 18 bucks. 2-pack of surge protectors with USB chargers for 20 bucks. Just a quick aside, and this applies to any fast charger, not just this one here. But if you have a device that does not support fast charging, I would not advise you to plug it into a fast charger. There have been reports of devices such as PS4 controllers getting fried from being plugged into a fast charger. It's not supposed to happen, but it apparently does. Got a wireless charger with a built-in power bank here for $12.50. 100 feet of power cord for 3 bucks. Got an ammo box for 5 bucks here. This is actually decent for keeping your drill in. Get yourself one of these and maybe you can date Avril Lavigne. Cut resistant gloves here for 5 bucks. Baseball caps for 4 bucks. Politically incorrect insect repellent suit here for 7 bucks. Looks like we're at the end of the flyer, and looks like they have a scratch and dent sale on October the 8th. If you're able, I would advise you to check this out. They do have some really good stuff there. I managed to get I think a $350 hydraulic lift cart for 100 bucks at the last one. So until next time, take care everyone.